My name is Bonsal and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about Matsatsi a beke. They have been shortened from Letsatsi la, meaning the day off. The days of the week: Mantaha, Monday. Mantaha, Monday. Labobedi, Tuesday. Labobedi, Tuesday. Laboraro, Wednesday. Laboraro, Wednesday. Labone, Thursday. Labone, Thursday. Labohlano, Friday. Labohlano, Friday. Moqebelo, Saturday. Moqebelo, Saturday. Sunday. Sontaha, Sunday. Mantaha, Labobedi. Laboraro. Labone. Labohlano, Moqebelo, Sontaha. And this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Until next time, Salang Handle.